Alright guys, I am at Walmart. I'm gonna cut open this mattress. Got my scissors from Dollarama. Ooh. Let's get this bad boy mattress open and check it out. So I ordered the Zinus, whatever you want to call it. I think it's like the 5-inch foam trifold foam mattress. I'm hoping it's going to make my camping a lot more comfortable. Okay, let's go to the back. All right, so here it is. Now, it came in a big box, but what I did was I opened it at a recycling center so I could get rid of the box right away. There we go. There we go. Let's get this open. Now, as you can see, it's got this bag. It came with a bag. And then inside, looks like it's vacuum sealed. So I gotta get this out. I can't just pull it off. My hands hurt too much, so let's get this open, huh? Carefully, I don't want to rip my mattress. This is a pain. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Oh, so you can see it's all vacuum sealed. And apparently it's supposed to have a smell when I open it. It did come with a warning, a little piece of paper that said, "This will smell, be aware." It does have a smell of some kind, but it's not like overpowering or anything. Okay, it looks like the mattress might be a little too long. I'll make it work. Just extend my head sleeping area a little. I have to make like a platform or something. Okay, so on first glance, I'm not sure I'm liking the trifold thing. Let's see. Okay, so I've got it in here to fluff up. I'm hoping that this big gap is going to come together when it fluffs up, because I think this might be kind of annoying. Good thing it's where my legs are going to be, but that one up there might be a little closer to my hips. So we'll see. See what I mean about it being a little too long? Here. This is where I usually keep my food bin, but I did order a seat extender that has storage space inside, so that's where I'm going to be putting my clothes. So it'll come up to about here, the seat. It'll come up to here, and then I can just put pillows, my cushions there, and then I can extend this all the way. Can't do it right now because I have these foam boards that I'm going to be making privacy covers for my windows. Like here. Right now I just use my pop-up shades that I was using in my van. So that's a project for when I'm camping. Let's just see if I can move those. Okay, so I'm trying to move it to fill this gap so it'll fit. Oh. So it'll fit this way for sure, but it's a little too narrow in here, so it's kind of propped up. I'm gonna have to shove it way down there, but not right now because I want it to fluff up. It does feel kind of okay. I'm excited to try it. So it does look like it's going to fit. Just need to fix that narrow section and get rid of the garbage. Keep the scissors. Heading back now. Trash taken care of. Let's go camping. All right, so I've got the mattress loaded in. I've had my consult with a rheumatologist, who, by the way, is going to send me some samples until I can get my Humira covered. Yeah, it's turning out to be a really amazing day. I'm going to head to the farm and pack up my camping stuff and hit the road. See you soon. So I've been running around doing errands, and I was just in Superstore and Canadian Tire to look for propane, and they're in the same plaza, so I just walked around. And I come back and there's a terrible, terrible smell in here. And it's that mattress. Hopefully it won't take long to air out, but I can't have my air conditioner on right now, even though I'm really hot. I'm gonna have to roll these windows down. That's just an update on what's going on with that mattress. Whew, it's almost giving me a headache, so yeah.